Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have only y in here, and that is about number 1. So we have number 2. This one we have dy. That means we do first the derivative of s, and we just have only s in here. So we have number 2. And this is about exact. Next, we need to set up about the function fsy. So fsy equals to the integration. So I choose about this one plus 3sy. So the integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The next one we have 2sy. Next, we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have y, so we have 2s. So we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify 2s for the both sides, and we have like this. Later that, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of y, we have y squared over 2. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3sy. So 3sy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.